In this video, I'll show you how to block or unblock someone on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Instagram, right? Okay, let me say I want to block this profile. Like for example, right? I'll open it up. So I'm gonna just click on this block, right? Click on the block. I think I'm gonna block this, right? You can unblock them anytime from your profile. So I'm gonna dismiss this right now. Once I'm done, I'm gonna dismiss this. Okay, yeah, so you can see I previously blocked Hilton, right? So if you wanna unblock it, click on this small, click on your settings, right? Wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, you're gonna scroll down gradually. You're gonna see blocked, right? You're gonna see blocked. Click on the blocked. Yeah, right there you can see this is Hilton. So I'll just click on the unblock. I'm gonna unblock him, right? So this is basically how you can block or unblock you on Instagram. If you found this video, push your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.